The first time I saw the shoe, I was immediately sold. What's up everyone, this is Kale. And today I'm gonna do an unboxing on this brand new shoe from Nike. The Air Force One Sage Low LX in vivid purple and deep royal blue colorway. The packaging is the same with almost any other Air Force Ones out there. And it's pretty straightforward. Opening the box now. And wow! I didn't expect this to be this beautiful. It's one of the LX or last line of the Air Force Ones, and from the looks of it, it does really give justice to its name. Materials on the upper is mostly suede. I thought at first it's a nubuck. Or maybe I'm wrong. Comment below if you have this sneaker and please correct me if this is nubuck or suede. The vivid purple swoosh looks like it was just attached to it and is tied with its gold cable ties. I love it! The leather on the tongue and on the heel also are in deep royal blue, but with subtle change in color tone due to the material. There are also metallic gold detailing on the tongue and the heel. The laces are also in blue but lighter. The midsole is in white, but unlike other Air Force Ones, it's thicker because it's a platform sneaker. Maybe the air unit is also thicker than a regular Air Force One. Just a thought. The outsole is in white surrounded by this thin black part. Pattern is the same as any other Air Force Ones. And now we'll see how they would look like on feet.